Hello friends, welcome to Prodhat channel. In today's video, let's explore about can we use a wet grinder for dry grinding. Grinding has been a very important part while making Indian food since the olden days. Without grinding the masala you get from spices like cumin, red chilies, turmeric, dry mango, etc., you cannot get the authentic Indian taste in any dish. And as we all know, the real flavor lies when we freshly grind the spices. Hence, mixer grinders play a key role in the Indian kitchen. There are many types of grinders out there, and each grinder has its own specific functionality, but the two distinct types of grinders, a wet grinder and a dry grinder, for the purpose of wet grinding and dry grinding, respectively. But a question arises during all of this whether you can use the grinders for either purpose, which means, could you use a wet grinder for dry grinding or vice versa? This video gives you the answers, along with a clear justification about why the wet grinder can be or can it be not used for dry grinding. Can we use a wet grinder for dry grinding? The answer to this question is generally no. This means a wet grinder cannot be used for dry grinding. This is because the working of each grinder is different from the other, and as each grinder is to be used for a specific purpose to get the best results. In the case of a wet grinder, it is used to grind coconuts, lentils, and make the batter of dosa, idlis, and other such dishes. Hence, it has a completely different power and method of working. It is comparatively larger in size as it is meant for grinding and making a paste out of the bulk quantity. Hence, even if you try to grind your dry stuff in a wet grinder, it would probably not give you the desired consistency, and you will have to do an excessive amount of work by washing the entire, not so small grinding jar. What kind of contents are required for a wet grinder? Furthermore, wet grinding involves taking the contents in a liquid and slurry form and then grinding them to obtain a perfect grainy paste. Hence, the speed, size, and the power of the entire machine are completely different from that of a dry grinder. The installation is also a completely different process, so using it for dry grinding is not recommended. The same suggestion goes for vice versa, that is, using a dry grinder for wet grinding. What is the purpose of a wet grinder? To be explained briefly, a dry grinder is exclusively used for making chutneys, grinding masalas into a powder, and other such small-scale grinding, which does not involve the presence of water or any other kind of liquid in it, but requires a high-power motor, so that the hard substance finally gets ground. Thus, you get a thin powder-like consistency. At the same time, a wet grinder is used to make the batter for dosas, which involve grinding the dal soaked in water overnight. The latter takes more area. As the soaked dal is in large quantity, it takes more time to become like a paste, and it also requires a not so sharp blade to be ground. In contrast to this, a dry grinder becomes very hot, while grinding as it requires more power, while grinding the hard masalas or any other hard substance. On the other hand, the heat is not produced in the wet grinder, as the power is comparatively less. This also makes a difference in grinding consistency. Thank you for watching this video. Visit our blog to know more details. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos.